Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Al-Fakim bin Azami and my matrix number is DE220124. Okay, this is for our BEJ10201 for Numerical Programming. This is for our Lab 4 group project and our group number is number 4. So here is our member number 1, 2, 3 and 4, and now I will going to discuss on this Simulink. How do we create the circuit? So first thing first, we open the library browser and then we just search for each of these component. For that is for the Simulink converter, to search scope, and don't forget also voltage sensor. Voltage sensor you can say as a what is it, like voltmeter. So and then capacitor, switch it, and resistor, also AC signal, no, not AC signal, voltage source. Here we have it, AC signal, and also solver configuration, and also the last one, last but not least, is the ground. Not ground, we search ground. Okay, so we use Simulink. So now we're going to assemble like the above. This one, which is we're going to flip. Where is it? Format. Yeah, flip vertically. We just connect each of it. This one to here, and this one, yes. To rotate, we control R. So there we have it. And here to here. So we'll go a bit further, and then we connect here, also connect here, and it's also connect. Okay. There we have it. Now we need to make sure the looks clean. Then we enter the value, which is for both is 4.7k ohm, 4.7, and we change it to kilo ohm. And for the capacitor is 47 nanofarad. Not nanofarad, nanofarad. Okay. And you can put the name out. This is also capacitor. Okay, we name it like this is 47 nanofarad. Oh, because both we already have it, so we cannot name it as you see. So this one you can comment out the block name. So collect ground, but for this you select the sensor, this scope. Okay, so why we use Simulink? First thing first, Simulink is for we as engineers, we need to plan first to what they say, to achieve the absolute value, so no problem arises from this circuit. That's why we use it Simulink. The second part is by using Simulink we can run it very accurately and make sure there's no problem, and you can see if we done it correct with the value. We can test any value, which is here is 47 kilo ohm, 4.7 kilo ohm, and 47 nanofarad, and we're going to see if it's correct or not. So we can, if there's something problem arises, so we can just solve it in this Simulink. So far way better than we correct it in physical method. So that's why we use Simulink. I think that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abang Muhammad Daniel bin Abang Madihan. Matrix number DE220134. And now from the build up circuit, I will input the values parameter for each of the component. So the first is the AC voltage source. This is directly dragged from the library browser, and this is the normal value. So we put what we want. In this case, we want to use the peak amplitude is 10 volt, and the frequency is supposed to be 1. The phase shift remains 0. So this is the parameter of the AC voltage input that we want to use. And now for the resistor, the resistance we want to use is 4.7 kilo ohms. In here we can change the value, which is already here. And for the capacitor, the normal value is this, and now we want to change into 47 nanofarad. Okay, so now we can say that all the parameters are in line for the questions, and it is all ready to be tested. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hussein Ahmed Abdullahi. My matric number is AE220106. We are in group 4, so section 4, numerical programming. Today I would like to record a video presentation of our project lab 4. So as you can see, this is our simulation circuit that we want to run. So wait, this is the graph that we will obtain when we run. So as you can see, our peak voltage is 10 volt, and our our complete circle will take 1 second. So, and our frequency will be 1 hertz. Thank you so much, Doctor.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Namirul Hafiz bin Azhar. Matrix number DE220177. We are from group number 4, from section 4 of Numerical Programming. So in this video, we will be explaining about our project for lab 4. So after we done running the simulation using the initial values for the AC voltage source, so next we will run the values with different values. So in this case, I will change the peak amplitude voltage from 10 volt to 30 volt, and then the frequency from 1 to 10, and then click apply, and then press OK. So now we will run the simulation. So in theory, the graph, we should see that the peak voltage is about 30 volt, and then the graph frequency will increase. So let's take a look. So from the frequency graph, you can see that the peak amplitude or the peak voltage is 30 volt, and the graph have increased its frequency. That is all for our group. Thank you.